Good day and welcome to UAE Corporate Tax Return Filing, the second course in our corporate tax specialization at RBS Auditors. If you join us for our first course, you may remember me. I am Sijin Kerewe, your instructor for this course. This course is designed with precision and clarity to give you a structured step-by-step guide to file your UAE corporate tax return. In this course, we will cover a quick overview of UAE corporate tax, election within CT return, calculating taxable income in special scenario, the end-to-end CT return filing process, documentation requirements, final submission protocols, and practical question and answers. At the end, you will take a final assessment test to confirm your understanding. We will also highlight key deadlines, common pitfalls, and best practices, all aligned with the Federal Tax Authority's requirements, so you can file with confidence and accuracy. Just like in our other specialization courses, you will have an opportunity to practice as you learn. Whether you are an accountant, finance manager, legal advisor, or entrepreneur, this course is built to add immediate value to your work. Thank you for enrolling. I look forward to guide you through this important and timely subject.